This girl came in today asking if I could customize her card, and since making things look better is my thing, I'm gonna spray it with Plasti Dip and hopefully she likes how it comes out. However, I'm not spraying the entire card, no. Instead, I'll be using it on the trim piece that runs along the front, basically changing it from chrome to black. And the first thing I'm gonna do is tape off the surrounding areas to avoid overspray, because although Plasti Dip is removable, it's technically rubber coating, so it will leave droplets anywhere that isn't covered. But before getting to that, I had asked her if she wanted the emblem sprayed or if she wanted it chrome, and she told me to cover it, so I gave her what she wanted and masked it off. And for extra protection, I also wrapped the bumper in plastic sheeting, because the next step is where things got interesting. Using one can of Plasti Dip, I shook it for a minute and began spraying the first coat lightly in a fanning motion, about 6 inches away. Then I came back around in the same fashion, making sure not to spray too much. But for each coat that was sprayed, I let it sit for 10 minutes and continued laying down heavier coats, darkening the color and thickening the layer of the material, because like Sir Isaac Newton, I too like them thick, or whatever he said. But I ended up spraying 3 coats in total and using only half a can, and even though the can says that the dry time is 4 hours, after 40 minutes or so, it felt dry enough to take off the masking, including the emblem that she so desperately wanted. And once everything was off, it looked amazing. All that was left to do was to send her on her way and wave her a goodbye.